Alright, so I have the Pro Max connected. I'm using a wireless mic, so hopefully it doesn't interfere. As you can see on the top left corner, you have your manual settings here. I can't touch them until I stop recording video, but you can do that if you're not recording. So I'm going to demonstrate it without the audio on just to show you guys in a second. Alright, so as you saw, I just changed the camera's manual settings. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in the air and have it follow me and just do a walk and talk. Hopefully it starts to record and it records audio. I hope I don't run into any issues here. Alright, so I'm going to lift her off right here, facing me, and then we'll just walk. Let me see. So as you can see, I changed the exposure settings. The ISO, I have it at 200 and speed at 1/640. So see if I can make it a little bit darker and then we'll start walking. Alright, so now I changed the speed to 1/1000, and I think it looks a little bit better. So let's go ahead and put it up and see if it starts recording. Audio, that is. Alright, cross fingers. Alright, so it looks like it wants to follow me. Alright, so we have a follow going on. Now, I have no clue if I'm recording audio. Hopefully it is. I heard some users have issues with the audio recording. I don't know. So I'm using a wireless mic, like I said, connected to a receiver that's connected to the phone directly. So yeah, you guys let me know how that sounds. The original Air X1 had this feature already. I'm not sure if it sounds better, if they've improved it or optimized it for the Pro Max or Pro version. But I'm running this test to show you guys how it sounds and if you notice any difference. By the way, I have it set to normal noise reduction. I haven't tried out the extreme noise reduction. I'll do that. But that's how it sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and land it and switch it to extreme noise reduction and see if you notice any difference. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I switched it to extreme noise reduction, and we're going to see how that sounds with the extreme noise reduction. Alright, so extreme noise reduction does not work. I have to put her up in the air again just to show you that. So yeah, I don't know, there must be a bug or they haven't really released it. So extreme noise reduction option for sound recording does not work. Only the normal noise reduction. So yeah, that's basically it. Just wanted to come out here and show you guys real quick how it sounded. Hope you all had a wonderful holidays and are getting ready for the new year that's come into effect. Wish you all the best. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like the video before you go. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It's not necessary, but it's appreciated. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.